mentor was amazing, and he gave me such great feedback. I really felt like he helped me see my writing in a new light, and I feel like I became such a better writer.
First had Young Playwrights in my class in 3rd grade, and I first worked with them in a reading in my 5th grade. So I've been here for a while, and it's my senior year now.
I've been taking a couple summer camps that are writing, and I'm volunteering at a writing camp for younger kids, and this week is playwriting week, so that's actually how I got involved.
The PVMP program, it really helped me grow. It taught me about the craft of playwriting, and not just about work in general. Commitment. If you say you're going to do it, and do it well. Like, don't just half-ass it. Put in all your effort, and to trust yourself too. Like, you know, people are like, oh, I'm not creative enough, blah blah blah. But like, if you just do it and at least just put it on the page, then from there you can really start to work with something. But if you don't put anything on the page, you don't have anything to work with.
I kind of like seeing things that remind me that I'm not alone in thinking life is challenging and is difficult. So they remind me I'm not alone in that, but also remind me how much it's worth fighting through and how much it's worth living.
You know, I was an avid reader. You know, kids would be playing outside, playing baseball. I had a book that was turning the pages, and so that upbringing, my mother was an avid reader, and she really instilled in us a love for literature. And so that upbringing really, I think, inspired me to become a writer. And I feel like as African American people, we have so many stories that need to be told, and I just want to be part of that canon.
Maybe if I stick my neck out instead of protecting my back, maybe one day the DA will be black.
The work has been outstanding. Like the plays have been good, the productions have been really imaginative and fun. And it's all come together in a really great event. So today I'm just floating. It's a really kind of beautiful day where we've seen a couple plays, had a great discussion. We're going to see a few more plays, and just new work. It's a really exciting day.